Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your store region on your iPhone. Perhaps you've moved to a new country, or you want to access content only available elsewhere. Understanding this process is key to unlocking a wider range of apps and services. We'll go over the necessary preparations and the simple steps to make this change smoothly, ensuring you can enjoy all the benefits of your new store region without any hassle. Before you dive into changing your store, there are a few crucial steps to take. First, make sure to spend any remaining store credit you might have, as it won't transfer. Next, cancel all your active subscriptions to avoid any complications. It's also vital to have a valid payment method and a billing address for your new region ready. Taking these preparatory measures will ensure a seamless transition and prevent any unexpected issues. Now, let's walk through the actual process on your iPhone. Begin by opening your Settings app and tapping on your name at the top to access your Apple ID. From there, select Media and Purchases, then View Account. You'll then see an option for Country/Region. Tap on this, choose your desired new region, and carefully follow the on-screen instructions, including agreeing to the new terms and conditions. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few moments. Once you've successfully changed your store region, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. You might find that some apps you previously had are not available in your new region, and you may need to update your payment information. But don't worry, you can always revert the change if needed. Now, you're all set to explore and enjoy the new apps, music, and other content available in your updated iPhone store. Happy exploring!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.